Okay, so I have a game to play here.
Awesome.
Um, I have something I'm going to do in my head.
Uh-huh.
You're going to give me some numbers. I'm going to do something to them in my head.
Okay.
Um,
Doesn't matter what kind. It could be even number or odd number. It doesn't matter.
you can give me any number you
Any
like.
number I like. Okay.
And the thing that I'm going to do to in my head, it could be multiplication, it could be division, it could be addition, it could be subtraction, it could be a combination of those two things. But I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing. But I'm going to tell you the number that comes out.
Okay.
Right. So you're going to give me a number,
Okay.
an input, and I'm going to do something to it, and then I'm going to tell you the number that comes out.
Okay.
And we'll do it a few times so you can see if there's any patterns. And your
right?
job
Okay. Good.
is to try and guess what I'm doing in my
Okay.
head. Okay. And I'm going to use this calculator, TIA30XS, because I'm just learning how to use it and how to use functions.
All right.
Playing with functions here.
Let's do it.
Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to clear it. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to put the table key, and then I'm going to put my secret function in here. Be ready in just a second. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Let's start off with 2.
Okay, a 2 goes in.
What comes out?
A 5.
5. Let's go with 4.
4 goes in, and 9 comes out.
9 comes out, so the difference is 4. Let's try 6.
6 goes in, 13 comes out.
13. Okay, still the same. Okay, so let's try 8.
8 goes in, 17 comes out.
Okay, so I see the relationship that I see between all these outcome numbers. The numbers that are coming out. Like 5 to 9 is 4. The difference is 4. 9 to 13, 4. 13 to 17, 4. Let's do another one. Let's do 10.
Okay.
I guess should be 21.
That's true.
So the pattern is still 4. I mean that's. Let's do 12. Should be 25.
It is.
Okay, so let's see if I can figure this guy out. So something plus something gives us 5 maybe, which is not true because 2 plus. Let me see. 2. I know 4 plus 5 is 9, but that's not right. 6 plus 5 is 13. That's not true. Okay, there's a subtraction somewhere here that I'm trying to figure out if there is a subtraction.
Why don't you try a different input?
Let's try 14. 29? Okay, let's try something in the middle. Let's do 6, that gives us 13. So y equals 6.
6 gives 13?
I'm trying to see what.
Yeah, that's true. 6 gets 13. Its
Right.
input of 6 is an output of 13. That's
Right.
true.
So I'm trying to see what's in the middle that gets us 13 with 6. 6 plus or 6 with something gives us 13. 6 times. This is harder than the previous one.
So let me tell you the numbers you've used so far.
Right.
Oh, do I have them all? I'm sorry, I don't have them all.
Oh, so we have 2. We start off with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. You know what I'm gonna ask you? Let's do 15.
15. That's different in a way, right?
Right.
'Cause it's an odd number. So 15, it gives an output of 31.
31. Uh-huh. This changes everything now. That's 2. What if we do 3? We go back to the beginning.
Input of 3 gets an output of 7.
7. Okay. I'm just gonna erase these. Sorry. Okay, so if this is 7, so the difference would be still 4 actually. Right? And if we do 5, what would be the output?
5 is an output of 11.
11. So that's 6. 2. The difference from this guy to this guy is 2 now. Oh god.
Maybe if you put the whole thing in order again.
Yeah, maybe do that. I'll do that. That makes it easier. Okay, so in, out. So 2 was 5. Actually, let's just start with 1. What if we do 1?
Sure.
Let's do it in order. Make easier life easier.
So, you know what? I just realized it doesn't show the function here, so we could just do it like
Oh, there you go.
this. It's easier, right?
So 1 is 3. Is that right?
Let's see here. We'll go back to the beginning. Okay, so here 1 is 3. Yep.
1 is 3, right? So 1, 2 was 5.
2 is 5.
Right. 3 was 7. 4 was 9. Oh, I see now. It's 2, 2. Okay, well that makes more sense. 5 was 11. 6 was 13. 7 was... Oh, we didn't do 7. So I assume 7 would be 15.
Correct.
Right, and 8 would be 17. Okay, so now we have 2 here. That changes everything again. So I think it is y equal 1 plus 2 gives us 3. Y equal 2 plus... Oh, no, hold on. No, my bad. It works for the first one, but not the second one. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. This doesn't work. My first theory didn't work. So if this goes by 2, the difference between 3 and actually right through 5 again 2, 2, 2. So what is it? What number is it? If we give 1 plus, oh no, maybe 1. If the x is 1, that's the question, right? If the x is 1, then the output is 3. The x is 1. No, put it this way. Right? What is that number that gives us 3? So plus 2 is 3, but that doesn't work with the rest of the story.
But just a quick thing.
Right.
If
Oh, that's
this,
white, right?
Yeah, right.
You're right, white is already here. So if it's 1 plus 2, that's 3, but that's true. But now for the rest of them, because then 2 plus 2 gives us 4, not 5.
You're
Any
saying
hints?
1 plus 2 is 3,
Right.
but 2 plus 2 is not 5.
Right.
So
We're missing
so
number.
it can't be plus 2.
It's not plus 2. So what could it be is, it could be 4 somewhere. I'm trying to do individually for everyone. So if it's, could be -4 maybe. No.
I can give you a hint. Do you want a hint?
And that would be great.
there are two different things
Two different things.
happening.
Okay.
It's like you said. It's like plus,
Plus,
minus,
minus.
division, multiplication. It's two of those things that
Okay.
are happening.
Okay. So the x would be, well, the x is 1. 1 times, oh, hold on. 1 times 1 is square 1 plus 2 maybe? That gives us 3. 1 times 1 plus 2, 3. Hold on, that's 2 square 2. No, never mind.
Wait, so explain that one again. What was that?
I thought it's if it's x square power 1, right,
Yeah.
plus 2, that would give us 3 because we put the input is 1, so 1 square power 1 is 1,
Mm-hmm.
plus 2 is 3.
Okay.
But it won't work for 2 because 2 square power 2 is 4, right? 2 times 2, 4.
But if it's x to the first power, then it would be 2 to the first power, no?
Oh,
'Cause you
2
were
to the
saying
first
1
power.
to the first
Right.
power, and then
I'm
you
sorry,
said 2
right.
to the first power.
2 to the first power, right, my bad. Plus 2 is 5. Because that's 2, no, that's 4 again, still, sorry. Because 2 squared to 1, right, 2 times 2, that's 4. Plus 2, that's 6. Right?
If it were 2 squared. Mm-hmm.
So it's not that one. That's off the, oh, that shut off. Okay, okay, there's subtraction somewhere, I assume. There could be subtraction somewhere. Yeah, I don't know. Oof.
What are the different ways that you could go from 2, say, to get 5?
Oh, from 2 to get 5?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say 2 times 2 plus 1.
Okay.
That's one way.
Mm-hmm.
2, if we do that, so if that's the x, 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1, 3. That could work, right? So if it's time 2 plus 1, that also gives us 3.
For which one?
Because for the first one, if the x is
Oh.
1, if, let's try the x, if the x is 3 times 2, that's 6 plus 1. Oh, I think I got it. I think I got the pattern. Let's try with the other one. So if the x is 4 times 2, that's 8 plus 1, that's 9. So x, if the x is again 5 times 2, that's 10 plus 1 is 10. It's 11, sorry. I think I got it.
So how would you write it?
How would I write
you
it?
write your
So
rule?
x, so it's y equal x times 2 plus 1. I don't know if that's
Let's
correct.
take a look here. So
Yes,
this
please.
is our table. When am I going to get back? I think I hit clear. Clear again.
Oh, it's 2x plus 1. What I wrote was like, this is what I wrote. I wrote y equal x times 2 plus 1.
Is that different?
Well, I assume 2x is like 2 times something, that input, which is x. Is that correct? My
Mhm.
assumption? I don't know.
Is that different what you wrote? Than what you wrote?
I don't think it's that's different. I just put the multiplication sign between.
Same.
Say.
Yeah.
Wow, this was a little stressful. I was like, oh, what am I doing?